Okay, FM 101.7.
Okay, 101.7 is any. Onimanyam for Dr. Henry Kwabena Kokofu, a former MP for Bantuma. On him to our brew. Naboko, dear.
Oh, I don't know. Yes, yes.
A Gomaba Quodium Deja say, yes, where bank is say. Poverty line, Anya Bian. What does any a year won't penny views were there? As on your 10 CDs a day. Now say, hey, the grass, yes, as a way a reflector.
Come and match you when you actually. Now, Nini and Mother, so remember my son of face. On my penny to swear, or take your mother or may. Give a more when you now swatch. I have some of the mobile son of pay you. You can't. Come when you're blue, ask them now, okay, you. We say you need to, you need to slow. Sure. Pennies will be anywhere, then also a farm brother. Yeah, will be your car based or packing it while Brussels or Timan. And so, over corner what Chinamu, yea, that you hear me. Sure. Be so a chino trot, coba on the river, because that you hear me. That you, yeah, well, bank it, ye, and we see it with your blue, Prada, said you.
A quarter to an yasso.
Pepe, and there's Opa, what I say, Opa, where he not know what to do. Trouble. Now, you know, quiet. Okay, so we are no na ya or maybe yes, or man with you, or could developed country, or man with you underdeveloped, or man with you developing. If I do a woman won't see custom any identity. It's the World Bank agency, a far no across board. And into our country, Krukesiamu. And okay, you crunk to a money at the idea, or call the agriculture, yeah, Jumapa, ne forest, land, nominate the what. The idea natural resource no. Umpuano, fish, ne, idea war. Quite more, can near my wood will go to the year one moment at Tissy Cano Horn. I'm one woman, and here on Blue. And the experience PP is fundamentally wrong. Acquire your password, your wealth distribution. Said you create tika, and I create wealth, and nobody can say, oh, Tika, that I broke team. Wealth creation and a wealth distribution. So, hello, Kwam.
Me oh.
Wealth creation and a wealth distribution. And so any na emwa. And nothing about Mali or two new was someone takes too much while others have none.
Oh.
Talk as I know,
me kind of pa. Na papa, will be a sending message baby says here. Send us a here, dear. Yes, says you can phone me na man lie. Near very young for money, no, near wow, or nature say, be a bit, be a bit.
Someone takes too much while others have none.
Oh,
now, sir, unfair distribution of wealth, family near my who will be praised. Now, more bonny who money park say, ma. Now, no, 3 days ago, we are seeing the World International Rural Women's Day. Now, you will say, woman say, Monsieur Kowaka from A to Z. Now, who say Kowaka to be a crab of the rule? And more radio society is man, city a bomb for but when a man won't crash here, I ain't a free hobby. Sir, we hear glorious my king. One, it's me one papa. Na brano aban upon aban aye nia onkombe yebetimi nanso enya de a eboa P. Okay, Professor Buzia, Rural Development Program. Okay, Buzia. Nana Jim Professor Young Fam Puntio Concrasiano. Yadim Puntio no Piano Crasiana. And what the big generative wealth, now I distribute from there.
No correct.
So, I mean, and they, near turn up it. Near Jaya, the Bigimua. Under a regime there, Yenya, First Lady there, Nana Kuredwajima Rolling. Nana Jim Fonding in Sisi say, Sir, cottage industry, rural cottage industry.
Yes, Mekaipa.
Now, especially Professor Buzia and Sisi Sabian. It's women empowerment. Sebredia ba ya pese ya ma nom ehia brubru be yi won afri sa wo how no ma. It was under Mame no administration.
Okay.
Enam so ma other first lady saba afri ho anamon. And next presently as we speak.
Okay.
Present first lady it take advantage of that say rural development programs are abey edugugu akwem one village one damia a binom de year kwame. It is meant to reduce poverty. Who can say music adwuma no afisia boa nyasa say etimia ye nhihye abetimi ama bra no afimuni nyinara ku adwuma bekoso a it means say ye boa atusa ohia na se wo nkronkuma no se wo hwe se forestry, yes, forest management, any other. You are the friend agroforestry. Agroforestry concept, baby, agriculture meeting forest. And see, for information, I idea of that indigenous knowledge. Now, you function as you course.
Me fancy, Missy Krum, about 4 penny, or was a fool.
Company, so free. Kuma now call penny.
Penny. I'm a fool. I'm a fool. Yeah.
What you work for that, another pro forest reserve.
Yeah, that no pay. Limited Messia, above what Messia, to me, room one excess.
So, it's the air and say, would you were Fudiano? Now would be no fast here. In the ending, and Fudiano, your friend Sonja system. And see, I feel no bedroom now. Ubecha, and answer Fudiana Babana, Ubechana. Now, now would be answered in a wolf. Near a band 10 terminal. No, so Abayo capital will sit up. It would be able to say tick. And now she's I band 10 term at the power flow more. Ube ye funa be bedroom no na say dia na ye mema ye the electricity pole ye
okay
no ne be fa is kabum e te say aboawo enti won a agitu mo no bebre ekoye wo insurance dache enti obi buza na bia de da be na da be ne benyini ni ade nanso say kwa na di fiedu nu ma wa so tiasie so tiasie eye insurance idea eboa nti asase krona wo de ye mfudie na wo di so kakra tuntum bie no nti asase na betimi asama usa insurance nti ya wo other interventions bia friend no alternative livelihood project yes wo de we afro wo do afro na nso nwa yen nwa mire ye Yemre, ape akrantie ne mre twabo anom ne ade. No woda adeja. Brano biara no. Wai, nkwara di bigina kwan. Enwa na wo kwan ho bebrebe no. Ba eye enkote wo wirem wa ukrom ayi asante asem na nwa be no.
Da bi nwadi wo bate wo ba jejeti nkra kwan so a. Jejeti nkawanda nom ne ade no. Wo mo di gina wo tra nkokọ no.
Ni nyina piafo ne amanfo a wo pepa youth nom asua yo nwa no ba bebre mre twabo a nese nanko enam abeye popular e wo system nom enu bi ani so ade hunu na nanka confirm yen wa mentifedo nanka beboa abma buruburo ase atuo ho a nso so binum di sika no kwaye de omo pɛ no enti ye wo projects ni programs bebre geared towards fighting poverty na esan say yen a ye di nibadie nanim pesamin kuminya ne anibre bone ne ketasisienti no se di nibadie ni say yen sana hu sika kura de be ya me na tu pon na beboa no na ba akofo na mienu bi na yafa enti the fight against poverty ade a eye nyina yasem kwa no nim say minim so ahwa ubo so nko a ufie pepepe ne apenti ho white na aka nyina ye da motobi ani kio so wonim za da wo unfili secure
dabi
nko na wo kane apɛ na tia wo nko na kane a wo fie na tia baby aka dia yusu kyesa nko a wo ye target enti seke ye aboa mo bia ne ne saso kakran pija adu da bia nka meda wo so da wo beda nia ode ne ba na ko suku abɔ ne ho ka amena ba ye titiriu na wabranya na ofofra ne ba na anya kwan ko suku bie na obetena se na obeye mobɔ na obedan se be kromfo tutubotom ni oye threat ma wo a wo ba na ko suku ne wo nyina so no
ai
no oye threat ma society enunti president Akufo-Addo flagship project SHS abofra bia nya kwan ko suku bebi tokro bia wo m kwame the fundamental basic to fight this poverty line no and it say you bet me a bridge gap between owo bie ni onwe ni bie no ntem na ebeye be moa kakra bia kwame ne fapem pa ne adisia ni ene tiase a nipa benya wa abrabo it is at secondary level na wan kona ni ma anya university mpo na osime kosua de pama o nyina so bi o confidence bi e woni mu oso okoyia ka okoyeku adwuma wa build confidence no eni nyina so no at that level da wa hunu se obi betime de aeroplane ni helicopter akodwom akodija na ono no so de obetimi aye na adwuma de no truck road and taxi akọ so akodwom akodinija the hobe he ha no enti somebody we aba na mestre we dey social issues no dey ade a manage ho papa momoden yem pebre na munya expert no na yem bobus ade we are fighting it, we can fight it na fight be fight poverty ni na nhunumu a nipa benya se yeku adwuma se ye dian se nipa nya nhunumu and you want natural resources no so a ya harness ni yie ni yie a be creative wealth no na wealth distribution no se anya pepe mpa bia ne so ne na bie zani a wakọ akura na yakum gan akwaside no nyanam pampe ni obi a ne nyane hwa o
dabi
na nyi obi a so ne benya di bia
aha
so no de kakra no
yes
obi dia ne sre na dan ko no de ko ma so de kakra no na so ani aso no wati dia e bibia e so de
wonim sa
me no mo ya age pa ata no pay
yeah that's it
mo pega ho asema ba
na wadi na anu ye twetwe nkomofa ye wurofo so ampofo ene kwakubu ahin wa wo fa ase issue abayi akopie court yi sai wo mo da so twe ho da awere o
kwam na se akoda azo mo ma me nan ono so bento ampa no so da so me asemi bae me tie kakra me ti samone lawyer Eduji Edin kuta ho lawyer me tenen ka che ai mo brother comprehensive CES as a day
CSC
CSC one sembaya so can be December can say woman team no 2015 wa ma me ka se me bo na me no kra ba me fa no to no
pa to no so de se nyame ye NDC fo adom pa ne se ma ama be di president de bi na so wa ma ne bibia e be demonstration adan
wa bre ba na ai boys blue azara see on the most you I don't be tie media yeah the colleague lawyer who say after the any aba form who say afe ne kasa no the bruni beka say persuasive platform so they compare kane pa na asem ne bae na wo mu huri gina ye na ye ko na ye na na ye doctor and ye nurse and ye hwan ya fami na wuti say ne ne abafom se be ma ye mre na asase no na me ka say DSFM one mo network back mo network penini na me ka say nka me hye nkom bi na me hye se me nkom ne bebem chairman of Swampofo a minim no enche obeba abontia beka say oh eya no fom brejo o man fancheme na enye nea isisuo no eye nkomodie na nka kwa me otia akotire de kire me nkonse na mem dem say ya ne say Yamia, Yamin, ye demonstration, ye say, ye didn't hear police at your college. You bet you are seeing your men, but the Piarada, Adakana, Court, Adakan, you will pay the move. And you will pay. Yaboko Jawa, who called to down near Quatrana Hall, near the work with you point in Adakan. A hawk, and then who said, and yet Doma. Ye did ye Casa Radio Sonia did a Mrano, Yenajuma. Mimi Yanki, I knew the Edri. But my man free baby a lawyer, Edri, Edenham. I just say, upon all this, of a source, she blame not the former president. That is the unfortunate aspect of it, Sammy. How? To the extent, say, when you party a can you need to be na kania oya no collab then na president Akufo and the collab ma eduji kan was man na then no aye ne
okay
kura me twa gina so se eye aban ene woni aban ye nya no se aban so ani attorney general fo no
na ti sasa ye adwuma ani na sasa dia sasa obia udi boni bia na what declare say who on the other side who opposition it na sasa aban na adwuma ade ba sam no kan yes na won enye elite so omu didi se ba bia ade na keka ko no kotua wo mu no mbe kodwa atoa na amanfo abe pacho na ni amanfo akasa me de enye elite because o kan akosisi afede nkukwa mu asem kwa me oni obi di nkomo nkukwa na wo record no fair na o ka tira ne se nya fair but wo ka tira ne se senso so nkomo na mu di ne nsem a wo kan it is of national interest. Now, a put down national security. If you win here, say the man Peniquana. A win here. CCA, in some year, near Cassette, a penny can, no so one can, no so can, yes, one can, yes, yes, you test your knee, I any say, I could do court, I court to come was. Come in some days to see Makuma, we are killing performance here. Ye near Mancroft, I know your Cosonco for be more. I don't punish say, you should see anything one ball a pot, say you be more may my Basabasa. Mudimano can sema man 7 them. And not young Shahani, young Hayani, young Jamosa. Come what him say, what only history. Now no doctor here, no one why, you say, only your bonibia, Betty, Etia or mine. When him say we shot under Professor Bizia, the 2.5 year term now with your office. Now we had Dr. Hilary Man, the term now with your office. And this time now coincide the Pepe. And to the Diana, you better know from Pharmacy and Yamako.
Nina ye September.
Okay.
Mamma history back September 1st. Ena sabra nana danko Akufo-Addo ne papa ebeye president no Daily Graphic eyi a wotwero ye wo se Akufo-Addo is president wotwero you na ye September mu a na Hilary Man so de no the same thing ena Hilary Man na yi no wa kon krechi ana ne vice president Dr. De Graaf Johnson
Padigi, under contemporary and I hear an answer.
Dean one penny wants them. Jodigi, hey. Yan to us one, Mitium.
And see, I some now about the Jano. assassin na jam omo fa na semtra enya semtra sa ana obi ani ho bro mraso wo man na lawyer
Okay.
assessment said our client so now over public na the obetimi ase so we you obetimi hu o pleadia na ma ba bonten na properly so ma be ye na se chop bi or ye na nyina akra ja to na be ko bi amamo na yakobi na sanya ne sa ho na wo be gina bonten be ka se na Professor Melson na oye no se ana NDC fo akire MPP fo akire pa na wo ba be ma be den you can't do anything without the law and outside the law.
But I see the future is pregnant.
I know Bushan is pregnant, yeah. Vengeance and now see the
Was it peace?
Was it peace?
Barbara Food say, because the future is pregnant, and your peace in one summer.
Kwame na say yan kwada asa. I don't know this to perform e budi gina say the bia da no. Oni say jamanyan so ho kwan de ho. What you say? This is an empty threat. Empty threat. I enkwesi hu.
101.7.
Uni ya so Kwame China ye your president na ba ben. You won't even yashe nkwoti mrana da. This said the mrana da. Ana abetimi dia ye adwuma. Eti ya sira won. Ya asem na kodi court, to yan kan court ho. Na ne ewo mu no oni ano ne huso a o ko ne baabi ne hu nye so ano ko and that you are pleading say well ayi they say privilege friend say conversation private conversation obi record a enye fair yes obi agitum say enye fair but the content nkomodie no ada me no kwa me no mienu be di abramo mu di sebe akohwibramu kobo ne ade de bia bontene a ebi ada west ya yire no na bi ombabo ye asa ba me no pay ho asem kodi komo kukuamu komo na ya dey border on national security ya dey border on crofo abra boso and na be see that we have issues on our hands
Okay,
o ma mu ni nyina da ho di yawo na sa kwa me no kodi ho komo a enti mpani di kwanse ya fro busa ho asem privately, that will be an interest. I wouldn't say, who call airport, who banner, when I'm close a camera child, you know.
Aye.
And I only that.
No crack.
A child, you know. Young parent wants to play with South because one pair wouldn't need body. Yeah. Now, that will be deep on here about forming a camera, the child. You better throw up without. And a camera in the bed and see.
Maria dear be crowd say airports are who do a wabruchin. Say who do wa now print boarding pass. Who do migration wa now watch our whole picture. Now watching. You that's the one I try.
What about what the job? What didn't say? You know, Utinamwa, Canano. Utinamwa, Chan who said,
I come you say,
aha eba fu pro nim zema na kropoka and be chani pa daja ana kana no be da hu nyina be gu ho ne ade wo mu fa ho kra wo mu fa ho eti na ya nam nyina ya bo ya hu adaja ne no na nam I take first eti se wo be di komo na ni pa be hia na nya komo se wo ni asofo na hia na akoka asanse ana enye de na esrefo kwada na anu be hia na Sunday school na wokata ase eya wa ma lokuo fua munyina mani ambre na munyina ba bia ma no aka se o ma no ba bu aye tene ma president akufuado kwakubu ahia na o se no kuma no ni ho no ni we wa bia na abonten aka se o be ko ma ni wa hihie akufuado na be sori afi akodwa no openly and now o se no ni ho no kuma obi na be ka be so no kon se o me ka no radio so se no ho no bo ni se mani.
Okay,
so exactly some mobile one tebe Kenya na nyina na no kra mo pese mo kasa
okay
yes we mu we nya PPNDC asem e promote mra o my mra it borders on national security on the kwabonten ekoka say o man ye security entwaye eniama bebre ha den eti niama ye betini aye ama security na ye yie ebi ni se obi ko se kwam no kan nsɛm a ɛmmoa na de ɔman no bɛkɔ wie de no ɔhaw mu a yɛdi wo nea no gyina mmara no ebi no
okay
ebi no
ate honorable medasi anope o
bam
honorable mesi medasi anope yi nyefa komonsi
yo mso dam ase kɔ so nya kokoduo nya adwuma
yes that's it
ya be hia kyerɛ ho
Mate buru mete ase yesi kokosachi kasa kyerɛ boni kyerefo a wɔtena nso wɔtena bebuom medase onimanyafo pia honorable Dr. Henry Kwabena Kokofu, former MP for Bantama and any trick on
Okay FM 101.7